Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your phone's location is active and set to high accuracy. This improves pin placement. Open Viber and go directly into the chat or group where you want to share. When Viber asks for permission, allow location access, otherwise you can't proceed. Once done, look for the attachment or plus icon inside the chat, tap it to see media and location options, and get ready to choose the right sharing method. Next, tap the attachment or plus icon and pick location. You can send your current location immediately or drag the map to place a specific pin if you want to share a meeting point. If you need continuous updates, choose live location and set how long you want to broadcast, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or custom. This keeps recipients updated. Make sure accuracy looks correct on the preview. Adjust the pin or toggle GPS if the marker is off by several meters. Finally, tap Send and verify the location preview appears in the chat. Recipients will see a map card or live tracking indicator. If you sent live location, you can stop sharing anytime from that message. If the pin is inaccurate, stop and redo. Toggle GPS off and on, restart Viber, and confirm app location permissions in settings. If problems persist, switch to airplane mode then back, or try sending a pin spot manually. This usually fixes connection or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.